શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજની જય. ચાલે છે, ચાલે છે. યોગીજી મહારાજની જય. કાકાજી પપ્પાજી હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. પ્રમુખ સ્વામી, મહંત સ્વામી, સાહેબ દાદા, દિનકર દાદા, પ્રત્યક્ષ ધામધામી મુક્તોની જય જય જય. જે ઉત્પત્તિ સ્થિતિ લય કરે, વેદો સ્તુતિ ઉચ્ચરે, જેના રોમ સુછિદ્રમાયણુ સમ, બ્રહ્માંડ કોટી ફરે. માયા કાળ રવિ શશી સુરગણો, આજ્ઞાનલોપેક્ષણ, એવાય અક્ષરધામનાય અધિપતિ શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ. જેની અમૃતવાણી તો વહી રહી સાક્ષાત મહિમા રૂપે, જેની બ્રહ્મસ્થિતિ અહોલી ન કરે, સૌભાવ્ય અક્ષર પદે. શરણાગત નિજ અલ્પ જીવ સહુના, શ્રેયાર્થ તત્પર રહે. કાકા સ્નેહલ સિંધુ દિવ્ય વિભુને, હૈયો તો વંદન કરે. સજાન સ્વામી મહારાજની જય, અક્ષર પ્રસન્ન મહારાજની જય, પ્રત્યક્ષ ધામધામી મુક્તોની જય. We had a short visit to Texas, especially Houston, and then to New Orleans. In New Orleans, only one place, the devotee Aruna Ben, the mother of our NG Ben. After a long time, I visited Texas and New Orleans. We had been to Houston along with Kakaji, and also with Kakaji I visited New Orleans. Hey Meena, Jai Swami Narayan. No, beta, this time I am coming early, and no sooner I come to India, मैं फोन करूँगा. हाँ, जरूर. हाँ हाँ बोलो बेटा. अरे मैं आपको फोन करूँगा फिर. हाँ हाँ. और हमारी बेटी और सब मजे में. हाँ, आवाज नहीं संभला तो. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन हाँ. हाँ 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 बोलो बोलो, अभी सुनाई देता है. हाँ हाँ, अब मैं म्यूट नहीं दबाई. हाँ हाँ बेटा, मैं बाद में फोन करता हूँ बेटा. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, एक मिनट.
हाँ कमलदेव जी, जय स्वामीनारायण भैया, जो अभी माँ पूजा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ लाओ.
बस अच्छे हैं भैया. हाँ तो आप थोड़ा सुनना. हाँ अभी माँ पूजा कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सुनना.
बापू को.
हाँ 1 मिनट बापू को देता हूँ.
हाँ कमल भैया, जय स्वामी नारायण. हाँ, मेरी आवाज सुनती है. हाँ हाँ, मैं देखो मैं माँ पूजा में आपको याद करता हूँ. हाँ हाँ, देखो अच्छे टाइम पे आपका फोन आ गया. हाँ हेलो. हाँ हेलो. हाँ जय जय स्वामीनारायण. हाँ चलो આવશે ફરી પાછું. When we visited with Kakaji Houston, there was one devotee named Ramesh Bhai. He was from the Odd. At that time, he was very illegal. I mean, and doing a labor job at Patel Brothers Godown, there in a big a warehouse. Godown means the warehouse, you know. And Kakaji also visited one devotee related to Dinkar uncle, Jayanti Bai. See, all the divine personalities, saints, are giver. At that time, I mean, since so many years, Jayanti Bai, his mother, they were the followers of Vartal temple, not belonging to Akshar Purushottam. They are the staunch follower. But with due respect, being a relative of Dinkar uncle, they say, okay, let Kakaji come to our place. And we wanted to see some of the satsangis whose addresses were given by our saints from this Hokra, Pothari Swami and Prem Swami, those devotees who were nearest and dearest to them. See how Kakaji is the giver. Kakaji did not mind whether you belong to Vartal or whether you belong to this. But you worship Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan. So, I mean, since more than 10 or 15 years, 10 years, I mean, even after marriage, more than 15 years, 12 years. I mean, that Varshaben, the wife, the Jayanti Bai family, had no child, boy. And his grandmother was Jayanti Bai's mother was staunch devotee of Swaminarayan. And he had a lot of faith in Hari Krishna Maharaj. I mean, just as if Swaminarayan Bhagwan listened to his prayer, her prayer, and Kakaji went there. Kakaji blessed that family. And he had a son. See, since more than 12 or 15 years, the one who had no issue, and they got a son, so they were really happy. At the same time, the devotee, one whose name was Ramesh Bhai, as I said, he was working in the warehouse of the Patel brothers, doing just, and he was asking Kakaji, I have been here, I'm working so many hours, and but I don't have the green card. If it happen, if you know somebody, any girl from the Patel family, I'm ready to marry, this, that. Kakaji advised, no, you will get the green card. Everything will be fine. And when you get the green card, one day we will call Hari Prasad Swami, we will send a Hari Prasad Swami ticket, and we will call him from London here by Concorde plane. Concorde. So that man is thinking that right now, it is a question of my survival, and Kakaji, my permanent stay in this country, and Kakaji is talking about, one day you will send Hari Prasad Swami the ticket, and you will call him by Concorde plane. Concorde plane's ticket means it is very costly. Our ticket may be costing at that time maybe $1,000. That costs $10,000. Because Concorde takes from here to London within 3 hours, whereas we are traveling by 9 hours, 8 hours. That was the speed. And see, Kakaji, he thinks that આપણને એમ લાગે કાકાજી બી મોટા અને કાકાજીના ગપ્પા બી મળે આનંદ કરાવે છે કેવી પણ સ્ટીલ વોટ એવર આઈ મીન હી હેડ એ વેરી સ્મોલ કાર આઈ મીન કેવી ફટફટિયા જેવી ગાડી હતી કેવી પણ એની સાથે પણ એ બિચારો અમને ફરવા લઈ ગયો હતો કાકાજીના આશીર્વાદ થયા એ પછી એના મેરેજ થયા, એને બિઝનેસ કર્યો, એમાંથી 2 થયા. હા, અને મને ખ્યાલ છે કે 93માં કે એમણે સ્વામીજીને કોંકણની ટિકિટ મોકલી. બોલો, ત્યારે એને કે આજે મને કાકાજી યાદ આવે છે. કાકાજી, સ્વામીજી while going to India back, Swamiji was going to where to stop by at London. હા, તો એને લંડન, ત્યાં તો પ્લેન જતું નથી કોંકણી, એટલે લંડન સુધીની એણે ટિકિટ સ્વામીને કઈ મોકલી, આપણે કોંકણની ટિકિટ આપી. ત્યારે એણે યાદ કર્યા કે હા, મને ખબર નહોતી, બટ આઈ મીન કાકાજી બ્લેસેડ મી કે વન ડે યુ વિલ ગીવ ટિકિટ ઓફ સ્વામીજી ફોર Concord plan. So okay, I remember Kakaji. This is all because of the blessings of Kakaji. Kakaji understand the heart of the devotees, their love and affections. And Kakaji reached to those people, those who are in really trouble or who have a faith in Lord Swaminarayan, પરોક્ષ રીતે હોય કે અપરોક્ષ રીતે હોય, પણ ભગવાન કાકાજી is universal. Kakaji has no discrimination. Whether he worship me or he worship others, but he is really from inner core of the heart, he is remembering the God, I will take care of him. So, likewise, that is all the remembrance. And one day it also had happened. There was one devotee in New Orleans. And there was a big cyclone came, and when he switched on the radio, and he heard he got the news, watch out for this. In this area, the area in which he was going from, New Orleans to Texarkana, there his motel was there, and the moment he got the news, he had left Texarkana and he was coming somewhere else. Whatever it may be. He made a halt somewhere, and that cyclone or tornado, whatever, tornado, it stopped over there only, and he waited there. So such is, Kakaji. He was taking care of the devotee. His name was Jitubhai. And there was also one devotee, Arshad Bhai.
In Florida. Anina brother.
No. He was coming in Sahib Sabha in Vallabh Vidyanagar. But when we heard the name, he invited Kakaji. Then he had a problem, so Kakaji cleared that. He moved to, then he had a motel there in Hollywood area. We visited there also. And then now he has been settled somewhere near San Antonio. Arshad Dalal, Arshad Bhakta, any surname. Asu Bhakta. His wife was from New Zealand. So there was all this remembrance. So Kakaji, I know, is taking care of those who are in trouble. So I really tell you, I mean it. Those who are exceptionally blessed by the God, those who are exceptionally blessed by the God, they only can join our satsang. So do you believe so? Who? Emily, you believe? America, you believe it? You are exceptionally blessed by the God, where the God is present. God is taking care. Now, because of our past karma, if some challenges are coming in our life, but now trump card is in your hand. What is that trump card? Yes, the trump card is mantra, Swaminarayan. Keep on chanting Swaminarayan mantra with the remembrance of all the divine saints. With all remembrance of all the divine saints. If there is a lot of, if there is a more intensity of the problem, there more intensely do Swaminarayan. Then you will have an experience. The God is the sovereign supreme power in this world. So even your karmas or your anything, your challenges is coming in our life. We should not get frustrated, but we must accept it, and we start because if there is a problem, if you know, I mean, somebody has filed a lawsuit against you, and you know the judge is my father, judge is known to you, so how much you will be worried about? You know, whatever may be, he will try to give me the minimum punishment and minimum penalty, because my father is sitting there. The problem is there. Then God is in Swaminarayan mantra. God, this living satsang, this is living satsang where God is present amongst devotees and amongst their services. So that problem will be nullified, you know. So I need not to worry. Now I have to wait and watch how God manifests and how He comes for my help, how He rescue me. Don't get frustrated. Because this trump card is in your hand. Everybody has a 3S. One has a 3 king, one has a 3 queen. You're right? But one has a, joker. Who will win the... So, Lord Swaminarayan mantra, this satsang, this divine sense, this is all a trump card in our hand. So nothing to worry, rest will follow. Think positive. Think positive and rest will follow. And if anything disturbs you, if anything disturbs us, that is our mind. That is our mind. And you think, that is a part of antakarana. I am above mind. Go beyond mind. Let mind is suggesting so many negative things, you know. The one function of the mind is always leg pulling, you know, when you are running towards the Godhead. The one function of the mind is leg pulling, create negative thoughts. But if we sing a bhajan. લઈ જા તું મનને પેલે પર. Go beyond mind and think. I was seeing one Hindi picture. And that heroine says, मेरा मन बहुत दुखी करता है. तो बोलते कि let the mind run, you go ahead. Let the mind run, you go ahead. So like that, at that time we have to think. It is the function of mind is to drag us behind. He knows that is one part of Maya. He will not allow us to go to the Godhead. Huh? Otherwise, Maya will say that he has escaped from my head. So he will always create negative thoughts. Huh? So we must understand the function of the mind. And I am above mind. I am beyond mind. I am Brahmarop. Bolo. I am the most fortunate personality in this world because of that. Exceptionally fortunate. Not fortunate, exceptionally fortunate. That is why I am in this satsang. And God is carrying me. That is why He put me in that satsang. Otherwise not. See, I mean, the leg was broken of our, who? Melanie. Huh? She says, I do not have insurance, how can I go, this, that. She was worried about, right? But she had a fracture. See, God is caring. Dinkar Bhai went there. And he took her to the hospital. Don't worry about the bill. Everything will be managed. She found some fracture. And the care has been taken. See, God is taking care through their divine saints and their devotees. When she asked me that I just some swelling, I said, if you do, I gave some ointment and oils and so he had no more swelling even after a week she went there to the hospital, you know. But see, everything is, all the care is being taken by God. You do not know. When we remember God, God is our, with an inner core of the heart, really intensive prayer. God definitely manifests. His invisible hands are carrying us, but still our human mind thinks negatively. I don't know what will happen. I don't know. And just because of the God is carrying, we know what we were and where we are. આપણે બધાના પ્રોબ્લેમ જોઈએ તો ક્યાં હતા અને કેવા થઈ ગયા શું છે અને કેટલો આનંદ કરીએ છીએ. This satsang is just like a divine party. In a party you go and you meet your family member and friends. Here we are coming with our families and friends and we are enjoying. Here is a blissful joy. Otherwise, if you go to some other party, people, I mean, projecting their ego, projecting their personality, projecting their beliefs, then they are fighting, jealousy, hatredness. I know the people I mean. So, whereas we are enjoying the bliss conscious here, you know. We are enjoying a good food. We have nothing to worry about paying bills. Otherwise, if you go to some disco dance party, there is a one boxer outside. People are going there and they are fighting, then the boxer comes and they put you out. I went to once, one of our satsangis to see, one of satsangi was owing this in Lincoln. But when I came out, I say so much smoke was there. Even if you, I went to see him and I wanted to see what is this disco. But so much smoke of the cigarette, all the smoke, I mean, came into my clothes. Even when I came out, the people may feel that Bapu must be smoking, you know. So much smoke. See, everybody, in the name of joy, enjoyment, they actually hurt their own self, you know. Whereas here, we are getting a divine thought. We get some good knowledge. When we are carrying somebody, God cares us also, you know. So this is the most very, very, very fortunate people only can come to this satsang. So You are, say America, I am the most blessed child of the divine. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan.
अन्नं चतुर्विधं स्वादु रसे षड्वी समाहितं भक्षभोजनं समानुव्यञ्जनं गुरुदेवतां